Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming two essentials. The Photos app is updated and your device has a secure lock screen set. Once done, open Google Photos, tap Library, then Utilities to find the Locked Folder option. You're doing this now because the folder relies on system-level security. Without a lock screen, it won't be available. Make sure you grant any permissions prompted. They allow private items to be moved securely. Now tap Locked Folder to begin the setup flow. Next, create the locked folder by following the on-screen setup guide. Tap Create Locked Folder and authenticate with your device security method. You'll see your gallery. Select photos and videos you want private and choose Move to Locked Folder. This action removes items from the main library and backups, keeping them local only. That's why device security and app permissions matter. If you plan to add many files, consider batching selections to save time and reduce repeated authentication interruptions. Finish by confirming your media appears solely in the locked folder and is absent from the main feed. Open and close photos to verify. Make biometrics your preferred unlock for speed, but make sure your lock method remains unchanged to avoid access problems. If a file won't move, stop and check app permissions for storage and the device's lock screen settings. Toggling photos permission or restarting the app often resolves stuck transfers. If issues persist, reboot the device and try the move again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.